We've got a fantastic and very, very simple World Book Day make for you today.
It is How to Make Mr. Stink by David Walliams.
We're going to show you how to make Mr. Stink's grubby top, complete with his famous red bow tie,
his walking stick and his gloves.
Keep watching and we'll show you how.
Begin by drawing your walking cane shape onto a piece of corrugated card. Once you're happy with your shape, cut it out. So here we have our cutout cane, and then we've just done another two exactly the same. We're going to layer them up and then glue them together. Now the next thing you're going to do is just cover it in this lovely brown duct tape. Start with the sides, place them down the middle of the sides, and then if you just cut some snips, and then you can fold it over the front nice and easily, and then the back as well. Go all around the cane and then cover the front and then the back. I'm just adding the final bit of duct tape onto the cane. I'm going to smooth it out and then just trim any excess off. And there we have it, one finished Mr. Stink cane.
So to make Mr. Stink's t-shirt, and this is the bit that kids will really love to get involved with, get some grey paint and some brown paint, dip your brush into it, and then simply sprink paint over the top. Make it look dirty. It's obviously a good idea to cover your surfaces and wear old clothes if you're going to do this, because things can get very messy. It's also good if the paint's a little bit watery for this task. Then with a relatively dry brush, add some more marks to the t-shirt. Make it look mucky. Even add a little smudge of green.
To make Mr. Stink's bow tie, all you need to do is cut yourself a piece of red felt. It's about sort of 4 centimetres by about 10 or 11 centimetres. Cut a rectangle, and then on another piece of felt draw yourself a really basic bow shape with a raggedy edge and cut that out. So there we have our basic bow shape and our rectangle. Then we're just going to pop the rectangle over the middle of the bow, turn it over, and then add some glue and glue it down. There you go.
With the bow tie, add some smudgy brown paint, just like you did with the t-shirt, and then all you need to do is glue the bow tie onto the front of the t-shirt. Finally, take your pair of black gloves and just snip the ends off the fingers. So there you go, very quick and easy Mr. Stink costume.
Now to complete Mr. Stink's look, pair it with some glasses and a toy dog.
And then you can let your kids get as grubby as they like for the only time, because it's Mr. Stink.
There are loads more World Book Day costume ideas over on the Hobbycraft blog.
Thanks for watching.